Hi, I'm Jeff Greco. I'm one of the founding members of Greco Neyland PC. Today I want to talk to you about one of the common questions we get from all sorts of people. What do you do if you've been pulled over after you've gone to a bar or after you've had some drinks at dinner? The first thing that the officer is going to ask you to do is to step out of the vehicle, and he's going to ask you to provide a specimen of your breath. This is going to cause you to pause for a moment and decide, is this something I'm supposed to do? What are my rights? What happens if I do it? What happens if I don't? Well, honestly, the question is a very simple one, but the answer is not. The answer really is it depends. It can go either way. If you give a specimen of your breath and it registers a 0.18 or higher, you're going to get charged with aggravated DWI, which is a much higher penalty as opposed to regular DWI. In addition to that, in the state of New York, at least in the 5 boroughs, if you blow a 0.15 or higher, most DA's offices will not offer you a reduction to a driving while ability impaired, or DWAI, which is an infraction and not a crime. On the other hand, if you refuse to blow, there will be certain driver's license implications and certain suspensions that will be longer than if you had blown and given this sample to begin with. In addition to that, if you refuse to blow, oftentimes you will not be offered an impaired or the infraction that we just mentioned before. What you need to do is you need to be sure that you understand what your rights are, what the laws concerning vehicle and traffic law violations in the state of New York are, and if you don't know this offhand, and most everybody doesn't, then you need to speak with a New York DWI defense attorney. Ask these questions before you find yourself in a position where you don't know how to handle it. Call us today at 212-951-1300 or visit us on the web at www.newyorkcriminallawyer.com, and you can find a whole lot more information about DWIs and the types of questions you have and how we might answer them.